Hello, I'm 𝗵𝗻, a research engineer from Meteodyn, France. It's a pleasure to meet you and introduce the meso-microscale method in Meteodyn WT solver, along with the new validations on a coastal site. Meteodyn WT offers the CFD method for complex terrains where the mesoscale climate effect is prominent. Additionally, we have the 𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗿 method, which incorporates mesoscale grade data during CFD post-processing to correct results and considers mesoscale climate effect. Now, our advanced CFD method, the meso-microscale method, utilizes statistical wind profiles from mesoscale models for initial and boundary conditions. It also integrates mesoscale data as forces within the computational domain to maintain statistical mesoscale wind profiles. At the coastal site, we have 5 mast measurements. Our focus is on horizontal wind speed extrapolation between them. Our findings demonstrate that both the meso-microscale method and the 𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗿 method enhance our horizontal extrapolations compared to the CFD method. The coupling method outperforms the 𝗵𝗺𝗽𝗿 method in our scenarios. That concludes my presentation. I hope you find our poster intriguing, and please feel free to reach out with any questions. Thank you for your attention. Until next time.